Okay, now we need to do some things with our key. First thing we're going to do is make it so we can add the key to inventory. So all I did was copy this code from our potion and I put it here on the key. But notice I added a few other things. First off, we're going to put in a start location transform, and we're going to add this onGrip function and do a boolean to set it inventory, and then we're going to add this sequence here. So after we do this, then we're going to check this, and here's how it works. So after you pick up the key, it flags it as no longer in the inventory. And then if you try to place it in the inventory, it will place it in the inventory. And as long as it's not in the inventory, it will return it to the start location. So if you drop your key for any reason, you need to go back to where you got it to get it. But it's better than trying to pick it up off the ground. So here's a little demo. Make sure no one's coming after me. We can grab our key, and if we drop it, it's going to return. However, if I stick it in my inventory, it just stays there. Uh-oh. I'm getting attacked. Ugh. Yeah, I took your friend out, didn't I? Yeah. So anyways, yeah, the key's still there, but if I grab the key again and oops, I dropped it. Oh no, now I can't pick it up again. Now it's just gonna head back. And I can go ahead and click. And that's going to be it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.